Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reinstall Brave browser in 2026. Reinstalling Brave can help fix crashes, startup problems, and other browser issues. First, make sure Brave browser is completely closed. Next, open the Start menu, search for installed apps and open it. Find Brave in the list, click the three-dot menu beside it, and choose Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again, then wait for the process to finish. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Now open another web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, visit the official Brave website, download the latest version of Brave browser, and run the installer. Wait for the installation to complete. Brave browser will open automatically when it's finished. If you previously used Brave Sync, sign in with your sync chain to restore your bookmarks, passwords, history, and other sync data. Otherwise, you can import your data from another browser or a backup if available. That's all. You've successfully reinstalled Brave browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.